Janine D. Pascual from the group of Ravenclaw. Today we're going to do is the movie film review. And the title of this movie is Unfriended, The Dark Web. And the director of this is Stephen Susko. The characters of this story. The main characters of this story is Matthias, who finds a mysterious laptop. Matthias has a girlfriend named Amaya. And the other characters is Damon, Nari, Serena, Lex, and AJ. Matthias' friends in online video call. The story flows when Matthias, who steals a laptop connected to a dark web. As he and his friends explore the content, they realize they're being watched and manipulated by an anonymous cyber criminal group that starts with a normal online chat turned into a terrifying fight of survival. Threats in ICT that tackled in a film. There are various threats such as cloud storage and file sharing. The laptop contains disturbing videos stored in a secret folder. Hacking and cybersecurity. Hackers in the film shows advantage of digital and system manipulation. Live stream and social media. The hacker used live stream to control, threaten the characters. Internet threats that shows in the film. There are several threats, including hacking and identifying theft. The hackers control the laptop and steal the personal data of the characters, revealing personal information. The group exposed the people's identity, making them vulnerable. Cyberstalking and surveillance. The main characters are constantly monitored. Snap films and black market transactions. The dark web in the movie is used to illegal trading and live stream orders. The lesson I learned from this is don't choose others' laptop. Just like Matthias did, he stole the laptop and told to his friend that he bought a new laptop. And be careful to your digital footprint. Anything you do online can be tracked. And for the last, protect your privacy. Use a strong password, enable two-factors authentication, and avoid suspicious links. Don't open link easily. Think it before you click it. And as I said, the internet is not safe as always.